All right, so now that we've listened to the story of Jack and the Beanstalk, I have some questions that I want us to figure out what level of question is being asked. So we'll do the first one together, and then I'm going to have you pause the video and decide what level B through H those questions come from, and then we'll go over the answers. So the first question says, how would you feel if you were the giant? Since this is a question that is asking about giving our opinion on how we'd feel, it's a level 3 question because you're going to draw it from your outside experiences and personal feelings on the matter. Okay, so pause the video here and decide what level B through H are, and then we'll go over them. All right, letter B here says, retell the story in your own words. That is a level 2 question because it is asking us to retell or summarize the story. Letter C, what did Jack trade for the beans? That is a level 1 question because we can point to the answer in the text and say, right here is where he traded the beans for the cow. Letter D, what is the moral of the story? This is a level 2 question. Usually, sometimes in stories like this, the moral is in the story, so it might be level 1, but in this case, it's level 2 because we're asking about the bigger picture or the lesson learned, and that's not explicitly stated in the story. Letter E says, what did Jack find at the top of the stalk? Level 1 question, I can point to the answer that he found a kingdom at the top. How is Jack's personality like yours? Now, this one is kind of tricky because some people might think it's a level 3 because you're drawing on experience. However, it's actually a level 2 because I'm asking you to compare or contrast your personality to Jack's. How is it similar? How is it different? Letter G says, how is this fairy tale similar to Cinderella? Again, I'm asking you to compare two things, so this is a level 2 question. And then letter H, how would you solve a similar problem? Here is where we would have a level 3 question because we're relating it to your personal opinion, where you describe how you might solve a problem like Jack had.
All right, so now we're going to apply this to Spanish class. So we have given you a text with 7 questions that you're reading. And so as you're reading them, please identify if it is a level 1, 2, or 3 question, and then explain why you chose that level. So then wrapping up here, using this method to decode questions can be used in all of your classes. And again, we are striving to have better answers and go deeper with our understanding. So this is something that you can apply to your other classes as well.